Here is a way of simplifying the difference between partial and full enlightenment. Partial enlightenment rests on a part of existence. It doesn't matter what part it is or what name it is given: spirit, awareness, presence, essence, and so forth. If the form of enlightenment you experience rests on a part of existence, then it's partial enlightenment and not full enlightenment. On the other hand, full enlightenment doesn't rest on a part of existence. Instead, it is present in all that you experience, without exception. Regardless of what your experience consists of, full enlightenment is encountered in that: your mind, your body, the world, a deeper realm, and whatever else. Therefore, if you seek partial enlightenment, then you are searching for some part of existence. In particular, you are searching for the distinctively spiritual part, the part that is beyond physical space and time, changeless and one. However, if you seek full enlightenment, then you aren't looking for some mere part or level of existence. Instead, what you are looking for encompasses and is inseparable from all experience.